All right, so I am here with George and Felix. Could you guys give me a little bit of background and details about the talk that you just gave?
So this was a one-year project of converting a large traditional web factory into reactive. And the intention eventually is going to be to become ODC ready so that we can migrate to ODC.
Yeah, correct. So it was something that we learned a lot because we also built some tools. The important things are not only the tools, but also the methodology and the communication. So there's a lot of very good knowledge nuggets for everyone.
So now I was wondering if you can give me some details about some of the challenges that you had around the process of migration. What were some of the things that you encountered during that process?
Well, a simple one with a simple solution is that during the migration process, we have two side-by-side applications that do the same thing, yeah. Which means that the cost of licensing goes up unless you talk to OutSystems. So that is a very important nugget to have.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. And again, when we started this type of project, in the beginning, everything was being started and the estimations were done by assuming manual labor. But the moment we started doing automation, then it all became lightning fast.
Yeah. So once you were kind of going through that process from like traditional OutSystems app to ODC, what were some of the tools that helped you make that process easier?
So we built a couple of tools. Mm-hmm. One of them was a automation tool that kind of helped us a lot with the initial setup and the initial stages of the development. And the second tool, which probably was actually more important for us, was one that helped us with the process, keeping tabs on what's happening, what's done, what's to be done, and what's the priority, that sort of thing. So those were the major tools that we built. Otherwise, it's business as usual. It's Service Studio and I don't know, Lifetime, those tools that every single developer knows about.
AI Mentor, Discovery, to know the dependencies, all systems tooling, basically.
That's awesome. So if somebody is going through a migration to ODC, what's like one piece of advice that you would give them?
Well, first of all, the most important is the coordination between different teams. So communication is key because while someone is doing the migration initiative, there are several teams of developers of the client that are still working. So there's business as usual, and no one wants to step on each other's toes. So the clear communication and progress status and everyone to be onboarded with the change management, that is crucial for the success of the project.
And I would say do it in small steps.
Stages, yeah.
Don't do it in one go. Go from, if you have traditional, which a lot of people still do, go from traditional to reactive, fix things in reactive, get things ready from reactive. Okay, the next step is get things pre-ready for ODC, and then finally, you know, there's a tool that helps you with the migration itself. Just press the button and follow the process that OutSystems has for migration. And that's it.
Yeah, well, that's awesome. Thank you so much, George. Thank you so much, Felix.
Thank you,
we'll see you guys around.